Ochung'ne gedo mag apaya madongo KENHA okoni oseyango kuonde maricho ya apaya manyalo kelo masira kendo tengo bajet mar losogi mapiyo. Kolo Osebo Mathika, jakom board mar KENHA Winnie Ngumi okoni olalo manithi e apaya ma Nairobi, Embu, Meru masani dhi kongi mondo mi otiek midhiero mag masira. Olalo ni sani gwelo pacho ganda kendo nywando gi chenro mar yaro apaya ma Rironi Mau Summit.
We as KENHA have identified all the black spots. We have identified all the black spots within the country. At the board level, we have allocated budget, including budget for Nithi Bridge, which we have redesigned, courtesy of a presidential directive that we have to ensure that Nithi Bridge is designed to take care of road safety issues.
Wewe kama mtu anatengeneza dawa za kulevya, because most of them, we have backstreet laboratories. Can you speak out? Because if you don't speak out, how will the authorities know? So we wananchi, we are the people who are hiding these dealers. We are the people who are hiding these manufacturers. If a person comes and starts manufacturing second generation alcoholic drinks within the estate, within the village, because now they've moved to the villages, can you speak out and say there's something going on here and we do not know?